Hey guys, it's Olivia. Welcome back to my channel. Today I just wanted to do a quick video on how I take my makeup off for when I do like looks like this. My camera isn't at like the best angle because I'm always too lazy to go get my tripod. I mean, like, I could go get my tripod, but I don't want to do that because I don't like my tripod, so.
Eventually.
Bow, what's up? I already took my lashes off because, like, when I do makeup looks for, like, Instagram, I don't really put a lot of lash glue on, so I just, you know, take it off. So first I'm going to take my micellar water and take this, like, it's like a bamboo cloth, or, oh wait, it's a bamboo, I can't remember. I'll link it down below, but I got them off Amazon. I forgot that I had the stars in my eyebrows, so we're gonna take these off first. I don't save them, but what was the point of me saying that? And I had nothing else to say, just but. Like, what was the reason? By the way, this makeup look should be up by the time I upload this video. It's going to be on my Instagram. I'm going to upload a video and picture, so make sure to go like that, go follow me. Go like that, go follow me. Like that, go follow me. Like that, go follow me. So now we're going to take our makeup off. I feel like it looks like I'm being rough with my face, and I'm not. I feel like it always looks like that. Alright, so now that we did that, hold on, I'm gonna rinse off this cotton, or not cotton round, but I'm gonna rinse off like my makeup wipe. I don't even know what to call this. My pad, yeah. I'm gonna rinse off my pad, and then we're gonna move on to the next step. My pad? I just said I'm gonna rinse off my pad. I just said I was gonna rinse off my pad. Like, I really just said, okay, yeah, my pad. I'm gonna rinse off my pad. Yeah, that's a good idea to call. Okay, so I normally do the step in the shower, but since I'm making a video, I'm not going to do it in the shower, obviously, but I'm using the Garnier Micellar foaming cleanser just to double make sure that I get the makeup off, and then I'm going to hop in the shower, and then when I get out, I'm going to actually wash my face with the Lush Let the Good Times roll. Sometimes I also use the Shea Moisture purifying and hydrating cleansing balm, but this is if like I wear heavy makeup or depending on how I feel. I forgot to mention, always wash your face with clean hands, okay? I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. Like I said, I'm going to be washing my face with the Let the Good Times Roll Face Wash by Lush. I'm going to be washing my face with hot water or warm water, and we'll go from there. Rinsing my face with cold water. That's what else. Okay, I was also supposed to say I'm gonna rinse my face with cold water, but like I forgot what I was saying when I was telling you, so that's what I'm about to do. I always pat my face dry. I want to start using paper towels because I know washcloths can like carry bacteria. But child, I don't make enough money for that, alright? You know, probably like the paper towels don't The paper towels don't cost that much. Okay, well they do when you do makeup almost on the daily, so get out of here. Cash out me some money so I can buy my paper towels. Thank you. Alright guys, this is going to be the end of the video. I'm going to also like tone and moisturize, but since this was like a how I take my makeup off video, I figured I'd stop here. Hiram, if you're watching this, please drag me. And I hope you guys enjoy the rest of... What was I going to... I was going to say I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video, but I just said the video is over. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up or a big thumbs down. What the... Can I get it together? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give this video a big thumbs up or a thumbs down. Your prerogative. Follow me on Instagram for more makeup looks and follow me on Twitter because I'm funny. Bye!